Okay, guys, today we are going to be go-kart crushing. Okay, so mine is the blue one right here.
We're going to be playing tag.
So we're going to be playing Monster Crash.
Oh, so we're playing that game?
We're playing 3 games. We're playing tag with the cars, Monster Crash, and tag.
We definitely have enough time. We have like 2 hours and 30 minutes. See you guys.
But it's not going to be that long. Video.
So can we play Monster Tag first? Okay, we're playing Monster Tag first. James, you're it.
So guys, okay. And if you run into the camera, you're automatically out. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait.
You're it. Oh my god.
Guys, this is gonna be so hard. Because the controls are actually backwards.
Hi guys.
Also, we can only turn sideways. We can't go.
Oh, get juked. Ankles. Ankles. Ankles.
I'm trying to take it slow.
Ankles. Ankles.
Something's going wrong with my car.
Oh man, you got me. Now I got you back.
Wait, something's actually going wrong with my car.
I think it matters not being
I got you.
No, you didn't.
Wait, actually it is. Something's going wrong. I got you.
Well, now I got you back.
Now I got you.
Now I got you.
Now I got you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Wait, my car's not working. Let me try something.
Turn my car back off. Well, y'all can admire my super cool truck.
Mine is cooler.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm it. Okay, now Will's it.
It's actually not working.
Well guys, I don't know why it's not working. I'm just gonna turn circles while Will does nothing.
Something's actually going wrong with my car.
Oh my god.
Oh, I see the problem. Now you're it.
Now you're it.
Now you're it. You're it.
Oh, now you're it.
Come on, car. Turn on.
Ooh, never gonna give you up. Wait, I know how to turn it on. Just run in. Let me run into you first. You're still in.
Okay. No, you just touched me.
Okay, now you're it. Now you're it. Now you're quit cheating.
I'm gonna get you. Never
Got you.
Got you.
Got you.
Never gonna let
Got you. Got you. Got you. You're it.
I can fly.
Okay, quit. Quit now. Guys, we're still gonna have to end this video short because Will's monitor isn't working. Probably because it's 4, guys. I might be contaminated. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Wait.
Coming.
I'll be back, guys.